What do we got here, Ryder?
Unboxing.
We're unboxing some Sweet Patina.
Yeah?
It's pretty sweet.
Cade knows about Sweet Patina. He's got his own code.
Yes. RMG1.
What do we got in here, Cade?
All right, so this is the happy ending.
Ryder,
That is.
don't turn it sideways. Look,
I didn't touch it.
your finger's literally over the camera. All right, do not move from right here. All right. Stop moving. Focus on this stuff
Are you
right
ready? Look at this. This is the happy ending detailer from Sweet Patina. Whenever we put the patina sauce on the car, this is the last thing we do, and it makes it more of a matte finish. They have the So Fresh So Clean, which is the cleaner. You want to put that on first, clean all the junk off the car, so that way it's clean whenever we put the sauce on there. Ooh, you got the Century Polish, which
Century polish. Have you used that yet?
real good. Yeah, I use it on my Mercury. It works really good for older paint, but any kind of polish that you want to use on older paint or original paint or something like that, more delicate stuff. Really good for that. Probably the Suburban would probably be pretty good for that. So,
Even right here.
yeah. And then the sauce. Here, look. The sauce. This is the patina sauce. That's what's up. So this will go over the paint, preserve the old original paint, and give it a little bit more depth to it, so it looks like it's brand new. So
Come here, look at this patina, Ryder.
yeah,
This right here is nothing right now. But we will be putting the Sweet Patina
It's
on it
the
next.
Yeah.
So,
Now we do the Sweet Patina right now?
no, we'll do it another time. So tune in and we'll clean it up, put the patina sauce on there, and the Century polish afterwards, maybe? We'll see. Cut.
Cut.